a little tiny CC drop on it too. See what I'm talking about? I mean, there's nothing but...
Got that on GoPro. Feel free to record with this if you do so.
Okay, just hold on for a second. Get my seatbelt on because I don't want to go. She's gonna yell at me until I do anyway.
Look at the shell clip.
Yabby, 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 yabby.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Structure, right?
Yeah, we got it.
Pleasant Mound, Vernon. It's gonna go just north of Vernon. It's like northeast. Well, east northeast, I should say. Let's go. I know. I know.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Where are we at?
We are. She's just north.
Oh,
she's
yeah,
right in here. We gotta get a visual.
Turn around.
I don't know what to do. Like I'm starting to. My brain. I need to see.
Yeah.
We need a west option. We need a west option.
The west option? Go towards it?
Yeah, we need a west option because we can run parallel to her. And
I don't know if we're gonna catch it.
I think we can. Because I mean, she's right there.
What's it look like hail line? Tornado is a localized, damaging, dangerous thing. Hail is widespread.
Hail is quarter-sized.
Oh.
Sandoval, Odin, Salem.
Look at the GoPro.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at her. I don't. Quarter-sized hail.
No problemo.
We need to catch this door.
Put the camera back there.
She's gonna cross. I think she's gonna cross in front of us. Where is she? What's this thing? I need a visual or I'm gonna get nervous. Yeah, she has to be. Here's your wind. Because it's saying she would be like, watch it be like 18-mile wide wind.
It's probably just a quick spin up, if anything. That's usually how it is. Little lines like this. I'm gonna get the north side of these little tanks and just kind of sit. Maybe just kind of deal with it.
Sure. Let it come right past us.
Okay, this is like that valley of storm just like worse.
Oh my god, she's screaming. Where is this thing?
Kind of a darkish lowering area right here to my left.
I think I see it.
I'm gonna get past these power lines, so if they blow down, they blow down
Away from us?
away from us. Yeah. Actually point into the wind too, maybe.
Oh, yeah, I would.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, I see it.
Might be it.
Yeah, you can see it on the camera a lot better. It's very close to the ground here. She doesn't want that out.
Yeah, the entire radar is just
Blown up right now.
What's this? Some wind readings, shall we? Next speed, should we set it?
Sure can.